When we talk about maths, everywhere we need tables. So our first topic for this series is table formation. We are going to see tables near to perfect base numbers. For all these techniques, we will have to know some concepts. What do you mean by perfect base numbers? Perfect base numbers are 1 followed by any number of zeros. For example, 100, 1000, 1 lakh, 1 crore, etc. Sub-base numbers. Sub-base numbers means all numbers other than 1 followed by any number of zeros. For example, 30, 4 lakhs, 5,000, 6 crores, etc. We are going to learn all the techniques in 3 stages. First step is examples near to perfect base numbers. We will be able to solve, after learning all these techniques, we will be able to solve all problems near to perfect base numbers in few seconds only. Then sub-base numbers, we will have to do one step extra. So 4 to 5 seconds more. And third is in general. Now we are going to see tables near to perfect base numbers. Suppose we have to form table of 99. As 99 is near to 100, means it is near to perfect base number. So we will be able to solve this table. We will be able to form this table in few seconds only. Now see, what is the difference between 100 and 99? It is minus 1. As the difference is minus 1, we will subtract 1 from 99. 99 minus 1, 98. 98 minus 1, 97. 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91 and 90. We have finished our right hand side. Now what is our left hand side? Go on writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to your left hand side. We have finished our table of 99. Now table of 98. What is the difference between 100 and 98? It is minus 2. Go on subtracting 2 from 98. 98 minus 2, 96. Minus 2, 94. Minus 2, 92. Minus 2, 90. Minus 2, 88. 86. 84. 82 and 80. We have finished our right hand side. Now left hand side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have finished our table of 98. Such a big number. Now we will take 998. Table of 998. Don't afraid. It is also very easy. As 998 is near to 1000 and difference is minus 2. Go on subtracting 2 from 998. 996, 994, 992, 990, 988, 986, 984, 982, 980. We have finished our right hand side. Now left hand side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have finished our table of 998 also. See, competitive exams like MPSC, UPSC, and many other CETs, entrance exams, we will have to solve more sums in less time. So we will have to know all these techniques. Now table of 997. 997 is near to 1000 and difference between 1000 and 997 is -3. Go on subtracting 3 from 997. 997 minus 3, 994. Minus 3, 991. Minus 3, 988. Minus 3, 985. Minus 3, 982. 979. 976. 973. Minus 3, 970. We have finished our right hand side. Now left hand side. Go on writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to your left hand side. We have finished our table of 997. So you can try, you can take another examples and you can try yourself. Now next technique for table formation, we are going to see tables of even numbers. Tables of even numbers. First we are going to take the number 32. As we are making table of 32, we will have to take this number as base number. Now here method is different. We will have to follow units place and we will go on adding units place and units place. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Whenever there is 2-digit number, we will have to give point here. We will have to take point instead of tens place and we will take 0 here. Again, as it is even number, we can repeat this series again. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8.0. Remember, we will have to repeat the series with point. Don't forget to repeat point. Now left hand side, again same method. Go on adding 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15 and point 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 3, 31 and this point 32. Now see, any table, whether it is 2-digit number, whether it is 3-digit number, whether it is 4-digit or 5-digit, we are going to form table of any number within 30 seconds. Now we will change units place. We will see another units place. Suppose we will have to form table of 34. We will take 34 as base number and we will go on adding units place. 4 plus 2, 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, so 0.2. I explained you why we will have to give here point. So give point instead of tens place and we will follow only units place. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. As it is 2-digit number, we will give point and we will follow only units place. As it is even number, we can repeat this series again. 4, 8.2. We will repeat the series with point 6 and 0.0. Now your left hand side, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16 and 1, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 23 plus 3, 26 and this point we will have to add here 23 plus 3 26 and 1 27 plus 3 30 30 plus 3 33 and 1.34. We have finished table of 34 also. Now next table of 36 having units place as 6. Again same method, 6 plus 6 12, so 0.2, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 6 14, 6 plus 4 10. As it is even number, we can repeat this series again. 6.2, 8, 0.4 and 0.0. Now left hand side, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. We are going to add this point everywhere as 1. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13 and 1 14, 14 plus 3 17 and this point 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 3 24 and point 25, 25 plus 3 28, 28 plus 3 31 and this point 32, 32 plus 3 35 and this point 36. All these methods are time saving methods. Okay, so even numbers we saw, tables of even numbers. Now we will see tables of odd numbers. Tables of odd numbers. First of all, again we will take simple numbers to understand. Table of 33, we will take that number as base number, and same method, 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. Again we will give point here instead of tens place and we will follow units place. 3 plus 2 5. See, in case of even numbers we can repeat this series again, but in case of odd numbers, fifth place is 5, so we cannot repeat this series again. We will have to calculate next numbers. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, so point and 1. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, so 0.0. Left hand side is as usual same. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. We will have to add this point as 1. 9 plus 3 12 and 1 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 3 22 and point 23, 23 plus 3 26, 26 plus 3 29, 29 plus 3 32 and this point 33. One more number, odd number. We are going to take 35. The numbers having units place as 5 is more easier than other odd numbers. Instead of calculating the digits, we can directly write 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.0. No need to calculate or no need to add 5 plus 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10, so 0.0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 0.0. So there is no need to calculate, no need to waste your energy, no need to waste your time in calculating. You can directly write 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. Now, as usual, left hand side, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13 and 1.14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 3 20 and point 21, 21 plus 3 24, 24 plus 3 27 and this point 28, 28 plus 3 31, 31 plus 3, 34, and this point 35. Isn't it easy? One more example we will take, having units place as 5. Okay, we will see table of 45. Go on writing 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05 and 0.0. We have finished our right hand side. Now left hand side. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 4 17 and this point 18. 18 plus 4 22. 22 plus 4 26 and 0.27. 27 plus 4 31. 31 plus 4 35 and this point 36. 36 plus 4 40. 40 plus 4 44 and this point 45. We have finished our table within some seconds only. Now we will see tables having units place as 9. It is again very easy. When the units place is 9, go on writing all the numbers in descending order. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And your left hand side will be, instead of adding 10, we will add one more than higher consecutive number. We will add 4. Instead of adding 3 plus 3, we will add 4. Why? I will explain you. 9 plus 9 becomes 18. So here it will be 0.8. 9 plus 8, 17. So 0.7. 9 plus 17. 9 plus 7, 16. So 0.6. 9 plus 6, 15. So 0.5 and so on. So there will be everywhere there will be point, and we will have to add everywhere one extra point. So directly we can add 4. So 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 11, plus 4 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 4 23, 23 plus 4 27, 27 plus 4 31, 31 plus 4 35, 35 plus 4 39. Very easy. One more example. 59. I think I have explained what to do while solving table of 39. We will follow directly here the method. Write all the numbers in descending order. 3, 2, 1 and 0. We have finished our right hand side. No need to waste your time in writing, in giving points. You can directly add, instead of 5, you can directly add 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. Plus 6, 23. Plus 6, 29. Plus 6, 35. Plus 6, 41. Plus 6, 47. Plus 6, 53. Plus 6, 59. We have finished table of 59 also. So we saw tables near to perfect base numbers. We saw tables of even numbers and also odd numbers. We have finished tables of even numbers, odd numbers. Now we will see tables of 3-digit numbers. For example, we are going to take table of 123. Same procedure we will have to follow. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So instead of 1, we will give point and we will follow only units place. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Now tens place. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And this point, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So, 0.1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And 0.6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So, 0 and 0.2 plus 0, 2 and this one 3. We will have to cross check here because tens place will be 1, 2, 3, 0. Now hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 and 0.6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. We have finished table of 3 digit also. Now, okay, one more example we will take for 3 digit. 214 I am going to take. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 0.2. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 4, 10. As it is even number, we can repeat this series again. 4, 8, 0.2, 6 and 0.0. Now left hand side. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 and 0.4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6 and 0.7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10 and this 0.11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 and 1.4. Now last hundreds place. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Plus 2, 10. Plus 2, 12. Plus 2, 14. Plus 2, 16 and 1, 17. Plus 2, 19 and plus 2, 21. Your table of 214 is also ready. Now table of 4 digit. Suppose I am taking 2123. Table of 2123. As usual, units place 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. So 0.2. 3 plus 2, 5. As it is odd number, units place fifth place is 5. So we will have to calculate next numbers. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 0.1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Tens place. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And this 0.9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 0.1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. And 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3. Cross checking. Now hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And this one, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Plus 1, 9. Plus 1, 10. And this 11. So 0.1. 1 plus 1, 2. Cross checking. Now thousands place. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus 2, 6. Plus 2, 8. Plus 2, 10. Plus 2, 12. Plus 2, 14. Plus 2, 16. Plus 2, 18. And 1, 19. Plus 2, 21. 4 digit table also we are solving in 30 seconds. One more example we will take for 4 digit number. 1421. 1421. Units place. It is very easy. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 0.0. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. So 0.0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 and 0.11. Cross checking. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So 0.2. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 4 10 and 1 11. So 0.1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 4 13. So 0.3. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 4 11 and plus 1 12. So 0.2. Cross checking. Now last step, 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6 and 1 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10 and 0.11. 11 plus 1 11 plus 1 12. 12 plus 1 13 and 1 14. We have finished 4-digit table also. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel School of Maths.